Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your Steam download time so you can keep track of exactly when your games will be ready to play. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window where you'll find the main navigation menu. Hover your mouse over the library option. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your game library and downloads. From this drop-down menu, click on Downloads. This action will take you directly to Steam's download management page where all your active and queued downloads are displayed. This is essentially your download hub where Steam centralizes all information about what's currently downloading and what's waiting in the queue. Once you're on the downloads page, you'll immediately see all the important information you need right in front of you. At the top of the page, you'll notice your current download speed displayed in megabytes per second. This shows you how fast Steam is currently downloading your content based on your internet connection and Steam's server capacity. Right next to that, you'll see the estimated time remaining for your download. This calculation takes into account your current download speed and the size of the game or update, giving you a reliable estimate of when everything will be complete. Below these statistics, you'll find a progress bar for each game that's currently downloading or queued up. Each progress bar shows you exactly how much of the game has been downloaded and how much is left to go. This visual representation makes it incredibly easy to see at a glance which games are almost done and which ones still have a ways to go. And that's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to find your download times and track your game installations in Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.